Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to walk you through this loading application. This application takes your steel assemblies and allocates them into containers automatically. Before you run this application, you have to keep the switch select assemblies active and set the weight for each container. You can also change the start number, choose your sorting direction, and then select all the steel assemblies and click Group Assemblies by Weight. Let me redraw the view. When you select the container 1, it selects assemblies in the model. This is container 2 and container 3. We can also create the report for the container list. Let me select assemblies in the model and create from selected. Here is the report. The next step is we can create the GA drawing and colorize each steel assemblies based on the container numbers. This is the application drawing parts representation. You can use this application to colorize the steel assemblies in the drawing. Click to open the drop-down list, select container, get details. This will automatically list out all the container numbers and give you an option for you to change the color. And click apply color. As you can see, each container gets its own color, so anyone looking at the drawing can easily identify the container numbers. So we can also add legend template. Open the drawing properties, go to user defined attributes, and then change the settings, and then refresh the template. And this is the legend template, and you can see the face numbers, container numbers, weight, and color for each container. For the fabrication team, this makes sequencing on the shop floor much faster. For logistics, it makes container loading straightforward. So everyone is working from the same visual reference. If you want to get access to this tool or see how it fits your workflow, kindly drop me a message. And thank you for watching this video.